Let's turn from there to the political development. No end to the political potboiler in Punjab. The latest on it, the Congress now clearly has decided that it's all gloves off versus Captain Amrinder Singh. Harish Rawat, the man in charge of Punjab, has termed Captain a stubborn person who ran the government from his farmhouse. Rawat in his statement said that Amrinder had failed to keep any of the poll promises even after several reminders. Amrinder Singh has hit back at Harish Rawat and said that the Congress is clearly on the back foot in Punjab. He went on to say that the only pressure he had for the past few months was his loyalty to the party. He says even his worst critics can't question his secular credentials. Meanwhile, Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi met Prime Minister Modi at his residence today, described his meeting with Mr. Modi as very positive. The Chief Minister says he's raised several issues, including that of the farmer protests. Now, what's coming out clearly is the battle between the old guard and the so-called new guard in the Congress. And one of those old guard members who's now spoken out is also associated with the G23, as they are called, former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda. I spoke to him in this exclusive interview. Listen in. The battle within the Congress is being seen by some as G23 versus G Huzur, as Kapil Sibal, the Congress leader, described it. Well, one of the key members of the G23 is the former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda. Appreciate your joining us, Mr. Hooda. Do you see it also as that? G23 versus G Huzur?
Thank you. G23, I don't know, that name has been given by you, media.
Yes.
But actually, some of our friends, we wanted Congress should become stronger. So we suggested some measures to be taken by the Congress president at that time. So that was the situation. And now we are very much concerned. And it is a matter of grave concern that the way people are leaving Congress, situation in Punjab. So we are very much concerned. If this Congress disintegrates, that is not in the interest of country.
Are you fearing that the Congress is disintegrating? Is that a fear when people are leaving like Captain Amrinder Singh and others, or do you believe that this is only a one-off?
Dekhiye, this is when our ex-chief minister from Goa, he left the party. Ex-chief minister from Punjab, he has already said it, I will not be in Congress. So like ways by Jiten Prasad, there are so many leaders. So that is not good sign. So every congressman or a nationalist man who are in the interest of democracy and Congress party which has fought for the freedom of the country, disintegration or weakening of Congress is not good for the nation.
But it is being said that this battle is between old guard and new guard. Rahul Gandhi is bringing new people in and the old guard cannot accept it. The Bhupinder Singh Hoodas, the Ghulam Nabi Azads, the Kapil Sibal, you cannot accept that newer people are coming. This is fresh blood which is being brought in now.
That is, fresh blood comes in natural process. We were also sometime in Youth Congress. That is not the thing. But now we should डिस्कस मंथन करना चाहिए, पार्टी को चिंतन करना चाहिए, मंथन करना चाहिए एंड
सीडब्ल्यूसी बुलानी चाहिए या क्या मंथन होनी चाहिए, यानी
मंथन होनी चाहिए, सीडब्ल्यूसी में भी होनी चाहिए at for various levels. It should not happen like that which happened in front of Kapil Sibal's house. This is orchestrated hooglism. That is not Congress culture. If there is difference of opinion, all should be discussed on the forum of party only.
But ये कहा जा रहा है that Kapil Sibal also openly spoke out against the Congress leadership. That's why people are angry. Youth Congress is angry कि ये जो करना है, do it within party forum. You cannot address a press conference and target the leadership.
पार्टी फोरम को प्रॉब्लम है किसी के साथ तो पार्टी फोरम में करो ना.
हाँ तो वही कपिल सिब्बल पार्टी फोरम में उन्होंने नहीं किया ना, वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की उन्होंने.
व्हाट कपिल सिब्बल या कोई नहीं, पहले तो कांग्रेस के ही खिलाफ, कांग्रेस के बैन के खिलाफ इस किस्म का प्रदर्शन नहीं चाहिए. देयर इज हाई कमांड, लोग हैं, यू कैन कंप्लेन अगेंस्ट एंड डू समथिंग.
Is the high command weakening? Is that the problem, that you need a full-time president, as your group has been demanding, as you had written, that you need someone full-time leadership, organizational elections, a system in place?
The organization election, Mrs. Sonia ji has already said it. They will be holding organization election.
Full-time president?
Elections means full-time president.
होना चाहिए.
Elections means full-time president. That is why she's not full time now, because she said मैं कार्यवाहक
नहीं,
president
but what about राहुल गांधी रोल? ये कहा जा रहा है राहुल गांधी के पास सब पावर है लेकिन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. किस तरह से आप देखते हैं? हु डू यू होल्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द मेस इन पंजाब? जिस तरह से नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को बनाया गया, नाउ ही देन रिजाइन्स एज प्रेसिडेंट. हाउ डू यू सी इट?
See, what happened in Punjab? Amarinder Singh is a senior Congress leader. He has been Chief Minister for 10 years. He has done a lot of development work in Punjab. The way it is a Congress state, basically Congress state, so every congressman is concerned. That could have been handled in a better way.
You think Punjab could have been handled in a much better better way? Do you think that Amarinder Singh should still remain within the party or not?
That I am not saying anything. I will not talk about any individual, but
Okay.
it could have been handled in a better way, because Punjab is a border state.
ये बार-बार कहा जा रहा है that the Congress could even head for a split now. कि this cannot continue like this. Eventually there will be one group which is loyal to Rahul Gandhi and there is the old guard. Do you see that happening?
I don't think there is going to be any split, but what is a matter of concern, what we think, Congress should strengthen, it should become stronger and stronger.
How? Okay, there you have Bhupinder Singh Hooda also in a sense calling for a manthan, introspection, or as the BJP would call it, Atma Chintan. Time for Atma Chintan for the grand old party.